Alright, we got another video for you. This is the apple cider, and I put honey with mine and also lemon. So I got the lemons cut up already. I got the water heated up to get the honey, and I use pure raw honey without the honeycomb. So what we'll do is put a little bit of warm water. I use bottled water and heat it up because I'm in a trailer. So roughly a little bit in the bottom of that. I shake up the apple cider vinegar, and we want it with mother in it, usually in the red. We shake it up. We use 1 teaspoon of it, or a little more. That's enough. And we'll put 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Heat the water up so it'll dissolve the honey faster. Stir that in there. Put a couple of lemon slices in it. And add a little more water. So I have about 8 ounces of water in there. Make that up, and that's it. That's supposed to help with losing fat around your stomach, and also give you a little bit of energy. I take it in the morning, and I take it in the evening. Now some other people say you can take it 3 times a day. Just don't take the apple cider vinegar raw, you know, in a shot glass. Some people say that they got stomach problems then. So hey, till next time, share, subscribe, and keep the weight loss going. See you later.